Well, hi guys, welcome to another Take a Look Tuesday. This is a chance for you to come on inside my studio to see the work that I've been doing this week. And I'm in my daughter's bedroom at the moment, which is my overflow storage space. As you can see, I've got pods coming out of my ears at the moment. I'm creating a lot day by day, so lots to show you even since last week. So I'm going to turn the camera around and give you a better look. Okay, now you've seen in here before, but you might see that they have doubled in the quantity. Obviously these ones aren't finished, but we've been working hard and had some help on. I have a studio assistant coming around to help me with making these under the table and all over the place. These ones are going to be painted and go inside my giant pod, the tent that people can climb inside. I'm wanting it to look bursting with life, so I need lots and lots of these. I've finished off my second plaster one. This one is made with glue gun glue. So this one is a new one that's finished. They all look very similar, but they are different. You've seen these ones before. So let me show you down in my garden studio. So here I've got some more things to show you. I have 4 weeks left until I have to install my installation for my final MA show, so I am working really hard and the work is building and multiplying. It's really exciting. Next week I find out where I'm going to actually be exhibiting. They haven't decided that yet, and I will be moving all of these bits and pieces to my college studio and start thinking about the installation, which is really exciting. So maybe next Tuesday that's where I will be able to start showing you things building in the actual space. So this week I have been really busy and my shoulders and arms feel it. I've been carving these out. So you might remember there was a wall of polystyrene sheets, and now I have carved them using saws, using chainsaw and a rasp as well. So my plan is a number of different things for these. This one's going to be covered in plaster. I'm going to have some covered in fur fabric, and some of them are going to be become like this with spikes coming out, including this really big one, which is going to be so much fun, a really giant like conker type thing. And my aim is that that will be a halfway house between these smaller ones and the giant tent pod that people climb inside. And then you've got some down here which are going to be seeds that will go inside these sorts of things, or inside the tent pod as well. And then down here, yesterday I had fun over down in Essex with a new friend of mine who works with a chainsaw all the time, and showed me what to do, and got me confident with my tools again after my accident, and had an amazing blowtorch professional thing, which I had a great time with. It's really smelly because it's all burnt at the moment, but yeah, so these are pretty much finished. I've just got to drill a hole through each one of these because they've got to go on the totem pole. This one's going to go right at the bottom of one of them, and it's going to have like the ceramic balls sticking out, and this one's going to go on the top, I think, because it's not too heavy. And then this is probably the other thing I've been spending my time doing, getting some of these ready. These are seeds that I am sewing splatty spots onto. There's quite a bit of work there. That's it for this week. I'm off to my daughter's graduation today, and I'm taking some sewing with me to do, of course. Yeah, and then she's back, and she's going to have to deal with a bedroom full of those pods. Anyway, I hope you have a good day and a good week. And yeah, use the link to go and check out all the details about this project. I'd really appreciate your help raising money for all these materials. This is the last week of my crowdfunding campaign, so if even the tiniest amount would be so much appreciated. And there's lots of lovely merchandise and rewards and things. You can even have like one of my sculptures to take home with you. So take a look at that and use the link in the notes above or below or wherever it is.